To get unlimited storage on Google Photos, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will show you how to get unlimited storage on Google Photos. Now the current situation and option for getting more storage in Google Photos is that you just have to have your own Google Mail or email. So from there you'll be able to get 15 GB of storage like this. So if you open Google Photos and if you click on the profile icon at the very top right, here you'll be able to see the number of storage which is available. So here you'll get 15 GB of free storage from Google itself. And the next thing which you can do is that you may click on the option of get storage from here, and you may simply purchase the storage by paying a certain amount of price. And the next thing which you can do to get unlimited storage is that you just tap on the option of manage storage, and from here you just need to delete the last photos and videos which is online, or you may also simply transfer the photos from your phone to your PC or laptop. You may be able to delete all the photos from a device, and you may repeat the process like this to get the unlimited storage. So that's it. That's how you can get the unlimited storage on Google Photos. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.